Imagine a slate-gray sky stretching endlessly over the frozen Siberian plains, silent, immense, and untouched by time. The land below is a vast white canvas, broken only by the occasional dark line of a distant forest or the winding trace of a frozen river. Here, winter reigns supreme, and the world feels suspended in a hush, as if holding its breath. Suddenly, a shadow glides across the snow, swift and silent. It's not a bird nor a commercial jet, but something far more mysterious. The shape is unfamiliar, almost spectral, moving with a purpose that hints at secrets hidden above the clouds. This is the Tupolev Pak-DA, Russia's next-generation stealth bomber, making a rare and secretive test flight. Designed in utmost secrecy, it represents the cutting edge of Russian aerospace engineering, a project shrouded in rumors and speculation for years. Its alien shape, smooth flowing curves and razor-sharp angles, exists for one reason: to be invisible to the enemy. Every surface, every contour is sculpted to deflect radar and confuse detection systems, making it a true phantom in the sky. The only sound is a faint hiss, barely audible, quickly swallowed by the biting Siberian wind. Even at close range, the bomber's engines are engineered for silence, leaving only a fleeting whisper in its wake. On the ground, powerful radar arrays sweep the landscape, searching for any sign of intruders. But the Pak-DA slips through undetected, its advanced skin scattering radar signals into nothingness. To the operators below, the sky appears empty, yet danger passes overhead. Inside the cockpit, the crew is surrounded by a web of digital displays and advanced avionics. They monitor every system, guiding this marvel of technology with precision. Each button, each screen, is a testament to years of research and innovation. Today's mission is deceptively simple: a test flight to push the engines, verify the stealth systems, and gather crucial data. But beneath the routine lies a profound implication. Each successful flight brings Russia closer to a new era of strategic power. As the bomber banks toward its hidden base, a sudden glint of sunlight flashes off its wing, then it vanishes into the gathering gloom. In moments, it's gone, swallowed by clouds, leaving only questions in its wake. This single aircraft represents billions in investment, years of effort, and a bold statement from Moscow. Russia is rewriting the rules of modern warfare. The Pak-DA is not just a weapon, but a symbol of ambition and technological prowess. Far below, the world remains unaware. A new ghost has entered the sky. With its arrival, the future of conflict has changed forever, and the silent steppe now hides a secret that could shape the fate of nations. What is a stealth bomber? It's a question that sparks curiosity and awe, especially when you see one gliding silently across the sky. These aircraft are some of the most advanced and secretive machines ever built, designed for a very specific purpose: to go where others can't, and to do so without being seen. Think of it as a high-tech ninja of the skies, moving quietly, striking unexpectedly, and vanishing before anyone even knows it was there. Stealth bombers are the ultimate masters of disguise in the world of aviation. Ordinary planes are easy to spot, loud, visible, and obvious on radar. Their engines roar, their metal bodies reflect sunlight, and their shapes are easily picked up by tracking systems. Radar works by bouncing radio waves off objects, revealing their location, like hearing your echo in a canyon. The bigger and more reflective the object, the easier it is to detect. Stealth bombers are engineered to defeat this. Their flat, angled surfaces are carefully designed to deflect radar waves away, not back toward the source. This makes them almost invisible to traditional detection methods. Special radar-absorbent materials coat the aircraft, soaking up signals and turning them into harmless heat. This technology is the result of years of research and innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aerospace engineering. The result? The bomber's electronic signature shrinks to the size of a bird or insect on enemy radar screens. It's as if the plane simply melts into the background, making it nearly impossible to track or target. This lets it slip past even the most advanced air defenses, undetected and unchallenged. Enemy missiles and tracking systems struggle to lock on, giving the bomber a huge tactical advantage. It can strike deep inside enemy territory, bypassing billions in defensive systems, and reaching targets that would otherwise be impossible to hit. The element of surprise is its greatest weapon, delivering a devastating blow before the enemy knows it's coming. This ability to attack without warning changes the entire balance of power in a conflict. In military terms, it's a game changer. Stealth bombers force adversaries to rethink their strategies and invest heavily in new technologies just to keep up. Stealth isn't magic. It's science, engineering, and strategy combined. Every curve, every material, and every system is meticulously crafted to avoid detection and maximize effectiveness. The PAC-DA is Russia's answer to this invisible threat. It represents the next generation of stealth technology, aiming to match or surpass anything currently in the skies. It's designed to be the ultimate first-strike weapon, capable of launching attacks from deep within enemy territory while remaining undetected. In the age of stealth, whoever sees first, survives. The race for invisibility is on, and the skies have never been more dangerous, or more fascinating. Why is Russia investing so heavily in the PAC-DA? It's about pride, necessity, and power. Russia's current bombers, the Tu-95 and Tu-160, are Cold War relics, powerful but visible and vulnerable. Meanwhile, the US has fielded stealth bombers for decades, giving it a unique edge. The PAC-DA is Moscow's answer, a tool to level the playing field and bypass NATO's defenses. It's also a symbol proof that Russia's engineers and scientists can match the world's best. For Putin, it's a statement of sovereignty and strength. The PAC-DA isn't just a weapon, it's a message that Russia is back on the world stage. Future wars will be decided by long-range precision strikes, and the PAC-DA is built for that. It's Russia's ticket to the future of aerial warfare. To grasp the PAC-DA's significance, look at its American rivals. The US pioneered stealth with the F-117 and the legendary B-2 Spirit, a flying wing that redefined air power. The B-2, with its massive payload and near invisibility, has struck targets worldwide for decades, but it's expensive, complex, and based on 1980s tech. Enter the B-21 Raider, America's next-gen stealth bomber, designed for mass production and future wars. The B-21 will be the backbone of US long-range strike for decades. The PAC-DA is Russia's direct response, a competitor in a new arms race. Both bombers are born into an era of renewed great power rivalry. Each is designed to check the other, ensuring no side dominates the skies. The stealth race is on, and the stakes are global. The PAC-DA shares a mission with its American rivals, aiming to project power and deter adversaries, but Russia's approach is distinct in both philosophy and execution. Unlike the supersonic dreams of the past, where speed was everything, the PAC-DA is intentionally subsonic, trading raw velocity for greater range, fuel efficiency, and the ability to loiter over vast distances for extended periods. Russia's immense geography, stretching across 11 time zones, demands a bomber that can patrol enormous distances, reach remote targets, and launch from far beyond enemy defenses. The PAC-DA's main role is as a stealthy missile carrier, designed to launch advanced hypersonic weapons like the Kinzhal or Zircon from standoff ranges, well outside the reach of most air defenses. These missiles travel at blistering speeds, many times the speed of sound, making them nearly impossible to intercept and giving Russia a powerful first strike or retaliatory capability. But the PAC-DA isn't just about firepower, it's also expected to excel in electronic warfare, jamming enemy radars, disrupting communications, and deploying sophisticated decoys to confuse and overwhelm defenses. In modern warfare, it's not just about hiding from the enemy, it's about blinding them, denying them the ability to see or respond effectively. Cost is a crucial factor too. Russia aims to create a bomber that's not only technologically advanced but also affordable enough to be built in significant numbers, ensuring a credible deterrent. Subsonic speed, standoff hypersonic missiles, advanced electronic warfare, and smart stealth. This combination forms Russia's answer to the challenges of 21st century air power. The PAC-DA is a pragmatic, formidable ghost, designed to haunt the skies, unseen and unstoppable. The PAC-DA and America's B-21 will rewrite the rules of war. When both sides have stealth bombers, the old offense-defense balance collapses. Standoff warfare becomes the norm. Bombers launch hypersonic missiles from far outside defended airspace. The real battle is missile versus defense, fought at blinding speed. This arms race will drive nations to develop faster, smarter missile defenses. Intelligence becomes critical. Finding stealth bombers before they launch is the new holy grail. Espionage, satellites, and cyber warfare will decide who strikes first. The psychological impact is huge, nowhere is safe, and leaders must make decisions in minutes, not hours. A single miscalculation could trigger catastrophe. The line between peace and war is now razor thin. In this new era, reaction time is everything. The PAKDA's arrival will send shockwaves worldwide. Nations once confident in their air defenses must now rethink security. For Europe, the bomber's range puts every capital within reach, spurring investment in new missile shields and radar networks. NATO will need tighter cooperation. No country can defend alone. In Asia, China's own stealth bomber ambitions and its ties with Russia add complexity. Regional powers like Japan and Australia will race to upgrade their defenses. The global arms market will boom for counter-stealth tech. Advanced radars, sensors, and interceptors. Middle powers will scramble to avoid being caught in the crossfire. The world's military balance is shifting, and the PAK-DA is at the center. The age of the stealth arms race has begun. The PAK-DA isn't just a weapon, it's a lever of economic and political power. Building it drives Russia's high-tech industry, creating jobs and spurring innovation. But the cost is immense, forcing tough choices between military might and domestic needs. For the Kremlin, the bomber is a bargaining chip in global negotiations, a symbol of strength and leverage. Its mere existence shapes arms control talks and regional security debates. The PAK-DA also boosts Russia's arms exports, showcasing its technological prowess. Even if the bomber itself isn't sold, it helps market other Russian weapons. This strengthens alliances, brings in revenue, and challenges Western dominance. The PAK-DA is a chess piece, one that shifts the global balance. Moscow is betting big on its ghost in the sky. As of July 2025, the world faces a new, uneasy peace. The PAK-DA, B-21, and China's H-20 mark the end of uncontested American air dominance. We're back to great power competition, but with faster, more destabilizing technology. Some say mutual vulnerability will keep the peace. No one dares strike first. But compressed decision times and hypersonic weapons make mistakes more likely. A technical glitch or false alarm could trigger disaster in minutes. Technology is outpacing our ability to control it. The real challenge isn't building better bombers, it's building better systems of trust and arms control. Without new treaties and transparency, we risk building the tools of our own destruction. The ghosts in the sky hold peace by the thinnest of threads.